Sure.
Okay. As per our previous today, we are going to start linear dependence and independence. Okay. Give the heading. Linear dependence and independence. Okay. Linear dependence and independence. Okay. Before going for that, first consider the definition of vector. What is meant by a vector? In particular in mathematics, what we can say in a matrix unit. Let's try to consider what is a vector. A row matrix, or a column matrix. A row matrix or a column matrix is called vector. Okay. Regarding vector, we are defining this concept, that is dependence and independence. What is meant by vector? A vector means a row matrix or a column matrix. For example, suppose this is 1, 2, 3. This is a one type of what we can say a vector, or suppose a B 1, 2, 3. This is also one kind of vector. Okay. Generally, we are calling it is a row matrix and column matrix, but particularly we are supposed to be considered now it is a vector. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's try to define the definition of linear dependence and independence. Okay. Let x1, x2, x3 dot 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 up to xn are the given vectors and k1, k2 up to kn are constants or we can say स्केलर्स. त्याला कॉन्स्टंट म्हणजे स्केलर पण आपण कन्सिडर करतो. आर कॉन्स्टंट्स and the relation k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus k3 x3 plus kn xn is equal to 0 then the vectors are called linearly dependent. The vectors are called linearly dependent if at least 1k not equal to 0. At least 1k not equal to 0. Then the vectors are called linearly dependent. Similarly, the vectors are called linearly independent. If every k that is k1 is equal to k2 is equal to k3 is equal to dot 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 up to kn are equal to 0. Understood the definition of dependence and independence? काय सांगतं बघा, मी एक्सप्लेन करतो आता इथे. पहिला हे सर्वांना समजलं वेक्टर म्हणजे काय असतो, दॅट इज द रो मॅट्रिक्स ऑर द कॉलम मॅट्रिक्स. मग याच्यासाठी लेट आपण काही वेक्टर्स कन्सिडर केले. x1, x2, x3 up to xn are the given vectors, and k1, k2, k3 are the constants. Then consider the relation k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus k3 x3 plus kn xn is equal to 0. ही रिलेशन कन्सिडर केली. या रिलेशन वरून the given vectors are said to be linearly dependent. लिनियरली डिपेंडंट म्हणण्यासाठी मला ऍटलिस्ट 1k या आपण जे कॉन्स्टंट कन्सिडर करतोय त्या सगळ्या कॉन्स्टंट मधला ऍटलिस्ट 1k शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0 पाहिजे. आणि सिमिलरली लिनियरली इंडिपेंडंट म्हणण्यासाठी एव्हरी k मीन्स k1 प्लस k1 k2 k3 all kn are equal to 0, are equal to 0. Then we can say that it is given vectors are li आणि याला म्हणायचं ld, linearly dependent. Understood everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Write down this definition. After that we will go for the example. Immediately write down the definition, and after that everyone have written now? Hello? लिहून झालं सर्वांचं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next line, write a note. First, if the given vectors x1, x2 up to xn are linearly dependent, then we can express